how to add sales pop-up in Shopify store. So the first step is to simply open the Shopify App Store, and then you're gonna have to search for this app here, Sales Pop, which has a free plan available. So simply click on install, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply set it up. So click again on install, and now what we're gonna have to do, so let's wait until this loads up. So I'm gonna show you how to set this up. So as you can see, we have the app here, and basically here you're gonna have to add a credit card or your PayPal account. As you can see, you have a 7-day trial ending on August, and as you can see, you'll be billed. So basically you're gonna have to start this free trial, and basically with this app you're gonna be able to set up these pop-ups, and these pop-ups will appear on the screen. So as you can see, this is the uh, dashboard. So here you have you're gonna have to enable the app, and then you're gonna have to simply add the pop events. So here you can simply add your products, reviews, or whatever. So basically that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.